welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. So today's video is going to be a vlog. So today my mom made a plan of going to CP and today I'll be visiting that place after a really long time. Last time I visited that place was like 5 to 7 years back, and after that today I'm going to be visiting that place. If you're not from Delhi or don't know about CP, that is Connaught place is one of the most famous places to visit in Delhi. Today it is 24th of March and it's currently 11 p.m. So we'll leave for CP at around 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. and we'll reach there in an hour because it does not take much time to reach there. It is only 1 hour far away from my house. So before moving further with the video, I just want to introduce you guys with the lip serums that I got from Mamaearth. So here are the 8 shades of lip serums that I got from them. These are the Mamaearth's naturally matte lip serums and not your regular liquid lipstick. Now we call them lip serums because they are crafted with brightening and hydrating natural ingredients like vitamin C and vitamin E. These lip serums will provide your lips 8 hours of hydration. Now this shade of lip serum is my favorite among the 8 different shades of lip serum, which is Pink Daffodil. So as you can see, this shade turned out to be so good and I really like the color of this shade. So it's definitely one of my favorite shades. The one more thing about these lip serums that I really like the most is they are smudge proof. That means it doesn't come off on the tissue paper, as you can see. Now you don't need to worry about using these lip serums on daily basis because they are made safe certified lip serums. That means they have no toxins, no chemicals and no parabens. Also dermatologically tested. Mamaearth's all products are free from parabens and silicons and are natural, and that's the best thing I love about them. Mamaearth is a plastic positive Indian brand, which means they recycle more plastic than they actually use. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a tree that they plant, and by 2025 they are planning to plant over 1 million trees, which is a very good initiative by them. So you should definitely give these lip serums a try. And if you want to purchase any of their products, then you can use my coupon code Bhavika 2022 to get 20% discount on your purchase. Their products are available on Amazon, Purple, Nykaa and even on Mamaearth's official website and app. Also have their own app wherein all the members get access to early sales and great discounts, and it is available for both iOS and Android users. So I'm going to be providing the link in the description box so you can check it out, and also do let me know what do you think about these lip serums.
A few moments later.
The Connaught place, and now we are heading towards the Janpath Market to do some shopping. Currently 4 p.m. and we reached here at 3:50 p.m. So we're gonna roam around the markets, we'll explore the place and I'll be showing you each and everything. We also have to visit the Hanuman temple, जो कि Connaught place में ही है. But first we will roam around the Janpath Market, then we'll go to the Hanuman temple. This is the Janpath Market. As you can see the board, it's written Janpath. So there is the Janpath Market and it's the famous market of Delhi. In Janpath Market, there were variety of things and it was a very lively market. Then we entered a store called as Shri Leathers where there were variety of bags, and so we purchased one bag from there. Something that I really liked, it's in pink color and pink is one of my favorite color too. It's a top. These are the roasted khagras and I think it is interesting. Then we have this khadi shampoo, khadi face wash, khadi olive oil, khadi uptan. Then we entered the restaurant and there we ate the food. Now we are going to take the Yulu ride. It's the most famous Yulu ride in Delhi. And now, after hearing about it for 2 years, now I'm finally gonna take that ride. So let's go and have that Yulu ride. Hi guys, so I'm back and it was a really good day today. So I really enjoyed today's day and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you made it till here, then comment these emojis. We'll meet you next time with next videos. So till then, take care and bye bye.